Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Skout dating application. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to log into Skout dating application, go tap open your Skout application from your app drawer. Once you do so, you'll end up in the very first interface. In order to log in, you can log in with the help of your Google account, with your email, Facebook, your mobile number, and even your Apple ID. Go ahead and choose any one option in order to log in. Let me go choose the email option. Once you tap on the email icon, you'll be able to see a pop-up where you can either sign up with your email or log in with your email. If you don't have an account yet, you can go ahead and tap on sign up with email option. If you do, tap on log in with email. Once you tap on login with email, go ahead and enter your email address or your Skout ID in the first text field. Once you do so, go to the password text field and type in your password associated with the account. In case you forgot your password, tap on Forgot Password link right below the login box and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. Once you are done entering all the credentials, tap on Log In and you'll be logged in to Skout dating application with just a few simple steps. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.